Chapter 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code or CrPC covers definitions and important questions for examination. Definitions in Chapter 1 of CrPC. Bailable offense. A bailable offense is one where the accused has the right to be released on bail, either by providing a bond or other surety. These offenses are generally less serious in nature. Non-bailable offense. A non-bailable offense is one where the accused does not have the right to bail, and it is up to the discretion of the court to grant or deny bail. These offenses are usually more severe. Cognizable offense. An offense where the police have the authority to arrest without a warrant and start an investigation without the court's permission. Non-cognizable offense. In such offenses, the police cannot arrest without a warrant and must seek the court's permission before investigating. Warrant case. A case that relates to offenses where the punishment exceeds 2 years of imprisonment. These cases are more serious and follow a detailed trial procedure. Summon case. A case related to offenses punishable with imprisonment for a term of less than 2 years. The procedure for summons cases is simpler compared to warrant cases. Complaint. An allegation made orally or in writing to a magistrate with the intent that the magistrate takes action. A complaint does not include a police report. Inquiry. An inquiry refers to the investigation by the magistrate or court before the commencement of a trial to determine the truth behind the allegations. Key questions and answers for examination. Question 1. What to Tasanaki What is the difference between bailable and non-bailable offenses? Answer. A bailable offense allows the accused to be released on bail as a matter of right, while in a non-bailable offense, the grant of bail is at the discretion of the court. Bailable offenses are less serious, whereas non-bailable offenses are more severe and may involve graver punishments, such as Question 2. What are cognizable and non-cognizable offenses? Answer. In a cognizable offense, the police can arrest the accused without a warrant and initiate an investigation. In a non-cognizable offense, the police need a warrant for arrest and must obtain the court's permission to begin investigating. Question 3. What is a warrant case and how does it differ from a summon case? Well, a warrant case pertains to offenses punishable by more than 2 years of imprisonment and involves a more detailed trial procedure. On the other hand, a summon case relates to less serious offenses punishable by up to 2 years of imprisonment and follows a simpler process. Question 4. What constitutes a complaint under the Criminal Procedure Code? A complaint is an allegation made orally or in writing to a magistrate intending that the magistrate takes action on it. It does not include police reports. Essentially, a complaint is the foundation for initiating criminal proceedings. Question 5. Sabisa mushkil ke se pass. What is the role of an inquiry in criminal proceedings? An inquiry is the preliminary investigation conducted by a magistrate or court before the trial starts. The purpose is to gather facts and determine whether there is sufficient evidence to proceed with the trial. Here are 20 more questions and answers based on Chapter 1 of the Criminal Procedure Code or CrPC. 1. Question. What is the distinction between cognizable and non-cognizable offenses in terms of police authority? Answer. In cognizable offenses, the police can arrest without a warrant and start an investigation immediately. In non-cognizable offenses, the police need the court's permission to arrest or investigate. 2. The question 2 सिद्धा करने के इंफेसिम को देती. Can a magistrate take cognizance of a case without a police report? Answer. Yes. Under section 190 of the CrPC, a magistrate can take cognizance of an offence upon receiving a complaint or based on other information even without a police report. So, what is the primary role of a complaint under CrPC? Well, a complaint initiates the legal process by bringing allegations of an offence to the attention of a magistrate, prompting legal action or inquiry. Alright, so what is the difference between a summons and a warrant? A summons is a legal document ordering a person to appear in court, while a warrant authorizes law enforcement to arrest an individual. Can a non-bailable offence lead to bail? Yes, bail can still be granted for non-bailable offences, but it is at the discretion of the court rather than a right of the accused. So, what exactly is a judicial proceeding as per the CrPC? Well, judicial proceedings refer to any process carried out by a court of law where legal judgments or decisions are made. It involves steps like inquiries, trials, and hearings. Now, what constitutes an inquiry under the CrPC? An inquiry is an investigation conducted by a magistrate or court to ascertain the truth of allegations before a formal trial begins. Moving on, what is the purpose of a charge sheet? A charge sheet is a formal document filed by the police after completing their investigation. It includes the findings of the investigation and the charges against the accused. So, what is an investigation in CrPC terms? Well, an investigation refers to the process by which the police or an authorized officer collects evidence and conducts inquiries into the commission of an offence. What is a summons case? A summons case involves offences punishable with less than 2 years of imprisonment. It follows a simpler and faster legal process compared to a warrant case. So, what does non-cognizable report mean? A non-cognizable report is a police report documenting offences where the police cannot arrest or investigate without a magistrate's permission. When can a police officer arrest without a warrant? Well, a police officer can arrest without a warrant in cognizable offences, where immediate arrest is necessary to prevent the offence from escalating or continuing. What happens if a bailable offence suspect cannot furnish bail? If the accused cannot furnish bail for a bailable offence, they may be detained until the bail condition is met, but they still have the right to request release. Can the police investigate a non-cognizable offence without permission? No. For non-cognizable offences, police must obtain prior approval from a magistrate before investigating or making any arrests. What is the significance of a warrant case? Well, warrant cases involve serious offences with potential punishments exceeding 2 years of imprisonment. These cases follow a detailed trial procedure. Can a summons case be converted into a warrant case? Yes, if during the proceedings of a summons case it becomes apparent that the offence is more serious, the case may be tried as a warrant case. So, what is anticipatory bail? Anticipatory bail it's a legal provision where an individual can apply for bail in anticipation of arrest in non-bailable offences. Essentially, it protects them from unnecessary detention. Now, let's talk about the role of the First Information Report or FIR. The FIR is the first official step in reporting a cognizable offence. It initiates the investigation process and serves as a formal record of the complaint. Moving on. How do we define charge in the context of CrPC? A charge is a formal accusation that specifies the offense for which the accused is being tried. It's framed by the court based on the evidence. Finally, what is the difference between an inquiry and an investigation? An inquiry is conducted by a magistrate to examine the facts of a case, while an investigation is carried out by the police or an investigating officer to gather evidence. These questions and answers are essential for understanding Chapter 1 of the CrPC and are commonly encountered in law examinations focused on criminal procedure.